Hello dears, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't yet. Hit that red button and ring that bell to get notified on our upcoming videos. Today's recipe is specially for the folks who have a sweet tooth yet want to eat healthy. It's a humble dessert, beetroot halwa. This is a delicious delight prepared from nutrition-rich beetroots. My recipe is sugar-free and has a rich and creamy texture. It gets ready in no time and requires minimal ingredients. Now, people who do not prefer beets in their plates, trust me, this simple dessert will change it all. You'll end up craving for this vegetable, and I'm serious. So, give this recipe a try, and I'm sure you'll not regret. This is also a great way you can introduce beetroots to kids who are usually not fond of them. Beets are a good source of fiber, which is beneficial for digestive health as well as reducing the risk of a number of chronic health conditions. They have a high water and low calorie content. Both of these properties are beneficial for weight loss. I have rinsed, peeled, and grated 2 medium-sized beetroots. In a heavy-bottomed vessel, add 2 teaspoons of desi ghee or clarified butter. Then goes in grated beets. Saute them for good 5 minutes. Beetroots boast an impressive nutritional profile. They are low in calories yet contain a bit of almost all the vitamins and minerals that you need. Consuming beets regularly reduces the risk of heart failure and stroke. Now, once they shrink, add 1 cup of milk. The process of preparation is similar to carrot or gajar halwa. Give it a good mix. Cover and cook until the milk evaporates. Occasionally keep stirring. Once the mixture thickens, add 2 tablespoons of grated, fresh or dry coconut. Now this is completely optional. It gives a nice flavor to the halwa. You can also add unsweetened khoya to this to make it richer. Mix it well. It's time to invite a friendly sweet jaggery. Add half a cup of powdered jaggery or adjust the amount based on your preference. Combine everything well. Jaggery is considered a better alternative to sugar as it has a number of health benefits, including its ability to cleanse the body, aiding in digestion, and providing good amounts of minerals. However, it is suggested to consume jaggery in moderation as it is slightly higher in calories. Look how beautifully it has caramelized. The color, the texture, it's a perfect appetizing dessert. No Indian dessert is complete without cardamoms. The flavor this spice transmits to the dessert is heavenly. So add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Adding nuts or dry fruits not only enhances the taste to another level, but also increases the nutritional value of the food. I am adding almond flour or ground almonds, whatever you want to call. Then goes in chopped cashew nuts, raisins and sunflower seeds. You can use your favorite nuts. To give that final touch, drizzle a teaspoon of ghee. Voila! The yummylicious, rich and moist beetroot halwa is all done. Absolutely tempting, isn't it? Go give this sweet dish a try and let us know how you liked it in the comment section below.
Mmm, this tastes so delicious.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share and please subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy, stay safe.